Want to makeover your home without spending much? Let's turn thrift store bargains into stylish decor. Hi friends! Today I'll show you my full thrift store makeover and share budget hacks that make old finds look brand new. Definition: a thrift store makeover means buying affordable secondhand items and upgrading them into useful, beautiful home pieces. Why important? It saves money, cuts waste, and gives your home a unique, personal touch. Step-by-step guide. 1. Pick items with strong shape and good condition. 2. Clean and prep them. 3. Add paint, fabric, or polish. 4. Place them in the right spot at home. 5. Add small accents and finishing touches. Tools: paintbrush, sandpaper, spray paint, glue gun, fabric, and cushions. Workflow: fix big items first, like chairs or tables, then shelves, and finish with small accents like mirrors and vases. Quick tips: check for quality. Neutral paint makes anything look modern. Mix textures for a high-end look. Cost comparison: new furniture can cost hundreds. Thrift makeovers can be done for under $50 per item. That's my full thrift store budget makeover. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more creative home hacks.